Hey there, welcome to another tech troubleshooting video. So, here's the problem. You've just updated your Intel Retina iMac to Ventura, and you're wondering if your iPhone with continuity camera turned on is being detected by the Mac. The question is the only way to find out by making a video call and checking if the camera is listed? Or is there a more straightforward way to see if your iPhone is detected by your Mac before actually diving into a call? Well, the solution to this problem lies in a simple terminal command. You can run system_profiler SP camera data type to list all available cameras on your Mac. This command will provide you with a detailed overview of the cameras detected by your system. By running this command, you can easily check if your iPhone with continuity camera is being recognized by your Mac. And guess what? I can see my iPhone listed right there, ready to be used for all your video calls and FaceTime sessions. In summary, if you're looking to see if your iPhone with continuity camera is detected by your Intel Retina iMac running Ventura, the quickest way to check is by using the system_profiler SP camera data type command. This will give you a comprehensive list of all the cameras detected by your system, including your iPhone. And there you have it, a simple and effective solution to ensure your setup is ready to go. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below with your tech troubleshooting stories. Remember, every problem has a solution. Sometimes, it just takes a bit of terminal magic.